Hello. So I thought I'd just go through a few of the electric things. I removed all the sockets because I'm going to be removing the wallpaper actually behind the sockets. I'm going to be tilting the radiators down later as well. And it's just easier when you're spray painting or decorating, whatever, to have all these off. So what I've done, I've removed all these and clipped them with these Wago clips. Now these just keep a connection, a bit like a terminal block, but they're a lot easier to work with. Let me just show you what these Wago clips are. You can just pull the levers back, pop your cables in, and it locks on really tightly. So a lot easier than these terminal blocks. We end up screwing the cables in. So I do need some electric over here at the moment. I want to wire up because I'm working over there with my computer and Big Still in the room. So I just need a temporary socket. Now you'll see I've used the three-way blocks. You have two-way, three-way, and you get other ones as well. But I've got three-way blocks I've fitted here, so I have the extra available one. And it means without turning off the power, I can quickly knock in a socket to use temporarily whilst I'm working over here. So I'm just going to go through the process of doing that and show you how easy that. Now this probably looks a little bit of a mess. There are two double sockets here, so that's why there's 6 here. You've got the in and out of each one, and it passes from that one into the next one over here. So I'm going to put it onto this end one, which would have been the left-hand socket. Now, the other reason I've taken off all of these is because I'm not going to be going back on. I'm going to be recessing all the sockets into the wall. So I've taken off all the wallpaper here except for this bit. So there's going to be a lot of work having to be done here, but then I'm going to be recessing back boxes into the wall. So, let's get started. Okay, so do a little bit for inside the socket, allow me to work there. So a little bit more. Now I'll go through this as well, my electric pouch. This is brilliant having this. I just pick it up whenever I want to work with any electrics. I've got my long nose, my strippers, my cutters, a pair of pliers. They're useful when you're trying to untwist things or bend things around, even though they're not normal electric things. I've got my electric tester, as you can see. Take the live line, which is brown in the UK. I can pop that in there. Don't think you can see over there, but it's lit up. You can see there's a live line. And then a bit of cable for over that. And what else I've got here? I've got the small screwdriver, the bigger one, and a Phillips large one as well. Rarely need that one. So I don't use that for the back boxes really. It's more for the fuse board and a few places where you just can't get to, maybe with the drill and things like that, but the drill driver. Okay, so, and I've got the earth sleeve, which is essential. Now I've lost the end. That's not really useful. Let's try and find that end. Right, there we go. Okay. So obviously a lot of these steps I'm going through here will apply to the same steps as wiring the socket generally. Clip the end off of that. Okay, so a little bit more there. Okay, so these ones are going to go into the into the box. Okay, so we'll do the socket first and just have a little back box put that on the top. I can have it that way, so just using the old back box that came out of here. Don't need that in there yet, but so we've got live neutral earth. Let's put this one in. Okay, let's get the neutral in there. As simple as that to get the socket in place. Now we come out the top, so it's a bit of a bend to make that a bit easier. So I'm working put it behind the and I'm going to secure this side first, have all of this. Lazy doing these up, there's too many turns for my liking. So I'll do half of it with the drill driver. Okay. Right, so I'm going to do it in these three here, so let's just pull them apart so I can work with what I'm doing. So they line up and match. Right, so let's get the third one of each opened up. Okay, leave the live out of the way, that will do that one last. So you can slot the earth in, just push it all the way back, pop that down, nice and secure. Okay, so let's get the neutral in, and then get our live in. Now, obviously when you do live, keep your fingers out of the way of that going in, and you're done. So we've now got a live socket there that I can carry on my work with. I hope that showed you some bits